So today I am actually with Paul for the first time ever on YouTube history. So we're up here in the one garage in the middle of Donegal Mountains working on his fantastic Skyline, and I'm actually going to try and wire in some Defi gauges. He's actually off camera has put in some of the wiring and through the bulkhead. We just need to connect up the power wires and things like that there and see if the gauges themselves light up. Having issues with one of the oil temperature, and it's basically the sensor itself is too long and it won't go in the hole correctly. So you can either jam it in, hope for the best, or see if we get it cleared. But either way, we're going to wire everything up, test it, and see what happens. We went against the idea of just baiting it in there and hoping for the best. So what he's doing is putting in a bung instead for now, just so we can once we get it wired up, we can test oil pressure, things like that. Isn't that correct, Paul?
Hi.
Paul's camera shy whenever the camera is here with me, it seems. Stop swearing on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Did you get her good and tight? Many Newton meters of torque. Is this going to be torque? What's the torque spec?
7.
Do it Jimmy Oak style, right? If YouTube has taught me anything, you just pour from a distance.
Are you seriously filming me pouring oil into my car, right?
Yeah, like, hey, I've worked with Jimmy Oaks and he's famous as fuck, right? So we're definitely going to be famous after this. See? Funnel. Who needs funnels?
All those. Randy does.
He doesn't.
He does.
Look, we're sweet.
Do you want to know what I bought for the radiator?
What do you buy for radio?
A funnel that connects directly to the cap. It has a hole on top of it, so like when you're bleeding the system, it actually already has a thing that brings it way up above the block.
Dad, Tommy F.A. has been doing that for years. You're behind. You need to watch more YouTube. Call yourself a YouTuber.
Who's Tommy F, yeah?
Oh, I'm just going to turn this camera off. So what are you going to do, Paul? Tell the world.
Well, so on the last clip that I'll probably put into the video that you saw there, I had it all wired up and I was working fine. But when I went to connect it all up with insulating tape and all, turned it on, didn't work, and I got a bit thick and went home. So I got our boy Shaun here down tonight to have a look. Turns out that one of the pins in the back of the controller here, so this is when it goes to the gauges. One of the pins was bent, and Shaun's eagle eye spotted that. So
yes. So for the sake of YouTube, I decided to turn the camera on before we tested this bad boy. So
yes,
if this works, you owe me something. I haven't decided yet. A loving hug.
So this is the first video, Shaun, that we're in together.
I know, it's actually weird, isn't it? It's probably there wasn't other people in 074 that could actually help out in video stuff, but they're all just useless.
The C word.
Imagine.
Can I say you're not very blue? Gonna bleep that out, aren't I?
I'll bleep it out, don't worry. So that's ground there. So ground, live, illumination, and ignition. So
this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna...
hopefully if I turn on ignition here, they should do a cycle like they did before.
Right.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
So the moral of the story is I'm class for fixing the problem. I think you've got a problem with your oil temperature and your oil pressure there.
Just run it, fine. Don't oil spec. No, oil temperature is beeping because I disconnected the sensor.
Yeah.
I sealed up the sensors the last time I was here, yesterday. But the oil temperature sensor isn't connecting right in the sandwich plate. So for now I just put a bung in there so I can move the car without it leaking.
I'm sure them warning alarms you can turn off anyway on the controller. You just have to get instructions for some reason.
Yeah, I think the warning alarm for the oil pressure is because it might just not have been turned on properly yet, or hit a mark or something like that.
It's probably just beeps until you start it, because I'm nearly sure watching other videos whenever people turn on Defis always do that until it hits proper pressure. But
yeah,
you probably can turn it off anyway. I'm not sure how the hell them controllers work, if I'm perfectly honest. But
you can set like a peak level on it as well, so it might have something to do with that there. It's just underneath peak or something, but
that's probably at 0 then. That's probably why it's beeping now, so you could probably set it to
whatever, right? Exactly.
To whatever's unsafe level.
I don't even know what the oil pressure is in this car, this engine.
So I take it, once all this is tidied up, you're going to mount the controller here, sideways here.
Yeah, I was thinking either sideways or in just.
No, you have to have it. I would put it there.
But how, like Velcro?
Yeah, Velcro.
Velcro on felt or flock?
Big rat.
Yeah, maybe.
I think it always looks nicer. Like it's very period correct to have it like on there, like on nearly every 90s car in the world. Like
here, there, maybe, or here, out of the way, out of the passengers.
I know that rat's nest of wires will be cleaned up.
Yeah, so.
So you're mounting the 3 gauges on above the radio like before, is it?
I'm going to mount below. So they're going to be here underneath. I could do that now, really. So they're going to be here, and then the radio singleton is going to be above here, and all this cable mesh will be gone.
I'll get proper connectors for them wires, so they're not just wrapped up.
Yeah, I have connectors and all there in this lead tape, so I can tie it up here if I have to. Obviously I have to, but yeah, that's where we're at. So once that's done, I'll put the gauges in here. I finished spraying the triple down I had, so I'll just figure out a way to stick that down with something in the back, maybe grill tape or something to hold in place, and then go from there.
Happy days.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So next time this camera's going to be on, we're going to be fitting that shit, is it?
Yeah, I'll do time lapse.
Jeez, you God, yeah. Does love his time lapses. So I'm signing out. I'm going to hand you back to Paul, and he's going to time lapse the fitting. So see you in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, so as you saw there, I got the gauges in, fitted, wired up, and they're turned on with the ignition, so everything's working the way it should, finally. Just a bit of an issue there with the water temperature. It's I'm not sure why it's not spinning. It's giving me the flashing red light. I need to figure out what that is and see if I can fix it. I'm sure it's nothing major, but it's wired in. Getting a good oil pressure reading, so I know they're working anyway. Just give a bit of a rev there as well to give you an idea what the V8 sounds like. it's been so long since I've actually started the car, so it's nice to actually be able to get to that stage now where everything's ready to go. The car can actually be driven on the road again, and I can go to where it has to go to now at the weekend. So I'll just show you what else I did today as well. So I tidied up all the wiring down here. So in the last clip, one of the last clips, you would see me kind of messing around a bit here, but I just gave a bit of a tidy around into the firewall and through under the glove box. I topped up with some oil as well, obviously, before I started it. And yeah, just a bit of a tidy up on the inside as well after that last time lapse. So for now, I have to look at the driver seatbelt. It's working, but it's sticking, so that has to be done. Once that's looked at, I think the car is ready to go. There's some issue under the dash as well, actually, with the lights. When I put on lights, I only get headlights. I can't get the dips on, so I need to just take that apart tomorrow off camera, try and see if there's probably a loose wire or something that's not connected right. I probably just threw it back in too much of a hurry, so that's on me. So yeah, apart from that there, get those two things sorted tomorrow, and then on Saturday it's going out to Paul Green to fix the roof finally. So once that's done, I'll be a happy camper. But yeah, that's it guys. So thanks again for watching. If you like the content, just like and subscribe, and we'll try and get more of these videos out and more of a continuous flow over the next couple of months. Thanks again.